Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Today we are going to learn Suratul Humaza. So if you want to learn Quran online at your home with live Quran classes, so you can contact us. And before starting our today's lesson, if you did not subscribe our channel, so please subscribe it and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you. So let's start our today's lesson. First I will read, so please listen very carefully and repeat after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم سورة الهمزة مكية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this surah is Makkiyah surah and it has 9 ayahs and 1 ruku. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. So here first one is Yalin. So we read it very softly like way, way. Next is Lam with double dhamma sign and the next letter is Lam with shadda sign. So it means we will connect Lam to the previous Lam. So here is Idgham without Gunna. If after Tanween the next letter is Lam, which is one of the Yarmaloon letter, so we will read Idgham without Gunna here like Lul, Wailul likulli, Wailul likulli humazatil, humazatil. Again, next is Lam with Shadda sign after Tanween. So it means we will read Idgham without Gunna here. Humazatil lumazah. So here we will stop. So when we stop on ayah, if the last letter is ta, so it will convert it into ha and kasra will be skip. So we will read ha with sukoon sign like lumazah, humazatil lumazah. Next ayah is alladhi jama'a malan wa'addada. Alladhi. So basically here is no fatha on sign, but we put fatha on alif and we read it alladhi because we stop on ayah, and if we don't stop on ayah, then we will connect these letters like we read it lumazatinilladhi. So if you don't want to stop here, you have to read with this small noon. So you will read lumazatinilladhi jama'a, jama'a. So we do not long any letter here. Malam. So first one is alif madda, so it means we stretch it. Malam. And here again we will make idgham because waw has shadda sign and lam has tanween. Malam. وعدده. Here we will stop. So we read ha with sukoon sign and don't read inverted dhamma here. الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده. يحسب, we do not stretch any letter here. Next is noon with shadda sign, so we will make gunna here. Anna malahu. Here is alif madda, so we will stretch it. And here is mad sign, so we stretch it for at least 3 seconds. Malahu akhlada. Again here we stop, so we read ha with sukoon sign. Akhlada. Yahsabu anna malahu akhlada. Kalla layumbazanna fil hutamah. Kalla. Here is alif madda, so we stretch it. Kalla layum. Here is a small meme, so we read it. And we don't read noon here. Layum bazanna. Here is noon with shadda sign, so it means we will make gunna here. Layum bazanna fil hutamah. Again here is ta, so we convert ta into ha. Fil hutamah. Wama adraka mal hutamah. Here is alif madda and also mad sign here, so we stretch it for 3 to 4 seconds. Wama. Next is dal with sukoon sign, so it means we will make kalkala here. Adraka mal hutamah. Narullahil muqadah. Narullah. Here is alif madda, so we stretch it. And ra, we will read ra with heavy sound. And also Allah. Narullahil muqadah. Here is waw madda, so we stretch it. And we read qaf with heavy and thick sound. Narullahil muqadah. Allati tattali'u alal af'idah. Here we will put fatha on alif. Allati. And here is ya madda, so we stretch it. Tattali'u. Here is ta with light sound and ta with heavy sound because ta is a bold letter. Tattali'u alal af'idah. Innaha alayhim muqsadah. Innaha. Here is noon with shadda sign, so we will make gunna here. And after that here is alif madda, so we stretch it. Innaha alayhim. Here is yalin, so we read softly. Alayhim. And here is meme with shadda sign, so we make gunna here. Muqsada. Here we don't read musada because we don't read waw here. We read hamza. So when hamza comes with sukoon sign, so it means we will make jerking sound here. Muqsada. And next letter is swad. So swad is a bold letter, so we make thick sound here, heavy sound. And again here is ta, so we convert it into ha. Muqsada. Innaha alayhim muqsada. fi amadim mumaddada. Here is ya madda, so we stretch it, and mim with shadda sign, so we make gunna here. Fi amadim mumaddada. Our surah is completed here. Now I will read it again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah. Alladhi jama'a malan wa'addadah. Yahsabu anna malahu akhladah. Kalla layumbazanna fil hutamah. Wama adraka mal hutamah. Narullahil muqadah. Allati tattali'u 'alal af'idah. Innaha 'alaihim muqsadah. Fi 'amadim mumaddadah. Sadaqallahul Azim. Our today's lesson is completed here. So please listen this surah again and practice it. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment section and we will give you quick answer. So take care. Allah Hafiz.